I did 3 things this morning. 1. I woke up. 2. I had dinner and laugh with Bill Gates had Azana Do mansion. 3. I started making this video, however the order that it actually happened was to 1 and then 3. However, a quick Google search will let you know that the Microsoft co-founder has several real estate listings along with his now ex-wife Melinda Gates. This is common with celebrity families, with examples like the Smiths and their $42 million real estate, the Obamas and their $12 million Martha's Vineyard estate, the Kardashian Jenner $192 Silicon Valley $192 million real estate properties, and so many others. In this video, however, we're going to be looking at all the properties that make up Bill and Melinda Gates' $227 million real estate valuation. Welcome back to another exciting video from Booming Business. Before we continue, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 5. Indian Wells Vintage Club $12.5 million amidst rumors of a relationship with the world's most popular babysitter. And since the announcement from him and Melinda separate, Bill has been having a really hard time. And like every man out there, when you're fighting with your wife, you got to go sleep on the couch. In this case, however, the $12.5 million Vintage Club estate in Indian Wells, California is Bill Gates' couch during these tough times. It's been reported that he's been resting in the home for some time now, and the house is fitted with the most luxurious amenities. You really don't have to feel sorry for him. The club was opened in 1980, and Mr. Gates has had property there for about 3 decades now. The membership costs $250,000, and the 13,000 square foot mansion has 6 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. Vintage Club itself affords the billionaire with an 18-hole golf course, a poolside restaurant, 11 tennis courts, a primary restaurant, and an 18,000 square foot spa and wellness center with personal trainers and group classes with members from either of the other 500 luxurious homes in the club. Number 4. Rancho Santa Fe $18 million. As one of the richest men in the world, your gifts are sure to be different from the regular individuals. So Bill Gates' the mansion in Santa Fe is just enough to put a smile on the face of his daughter Jennifer. Street equestrian estate was the perfect place to practice for her horseback riding career. This is because the 229-acre estate has a horse ranch for 30 stall barns and a fifth 21-stall barn, a 3/4-mile racetrack, and is also close to a horse racetrack estate that was purchased from another horse racing enthusiast in 2014. Jenny Craig, the founder of the weight loss and nutrition company, also called Jenny Craig Estate, also has a main house, a guest house, 2 spacious apartments, and office, a veterinarian suite, and then all of the orchards. Number 3. Wellington Real Estate $27.2 million. Now Wellington in Florida could be called the second home of the Gates, as they have other properties there that keep them close to their daughter Jennifer, who competes at the International Equestrian Center in Palm Beach, Florida. The properties they own include the 20,400 square foot mansion at 3060 Malott Hill Court. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a half bathroom. It has 600 square foot screen ports, a 600 square foot garage, and a 140 square foot open port. It's an equestrian estate with facilities for horses. The main house has a wood truss roof structure, a concrete tile roof cover. It has electric heating. All of this comes together to make the house as comfortable as possible in terms of temperature, and this property cost them $13.5 million. The other properties they have in Wellington include 2 vacant lots and Mall at Hill Court, costing just $5 million and totaling 2.6 acres together. Finally, Gates has also purchased an $8.7 million estate also on Malott Hill Court in 2013. Number 2. Delamere Mansion $43 million. In 2020, Bill and Melinda Gates purchased an oceanfront mansion in San Diego, California for a whopping $43 million. So Delmar's mansion was purchased from Madeline Pickens, who was a businesswoman and horse breeder. She was married to Thomas Boone Pickensinger, a business magnate and financier who died in 2019. They purchased the house for $43 million from Madeline, who got it for $48 million, with her husband a loss for Mrs. Pickens, but a profit for the Gateses, as the main house spans almost 6,000 square feet of space with 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms plus 2 guest houses as well. The main living area is spacious and also has retractable glass walls that open up to give an even more spacious find. This living area also has a dining area and a fireplace. The second sitting room in the main house is also open air with swimming pools and jacuzzis on either side of the room. Meanwhile, there's also a fireplace just beneath the flat-screen TV. The interior design was done by Ken Ronchetti in 1999 and is designed to give the home a resort-like feel even when you're inside. This includes the master bedroom with its own lounge, vanity, and fireplace. It's a cozy that will fit 10 people on special occasions. Cozies faced with luxury furnishings and outdoor fireplace, several patios, and terraces. And at the center of the compound is the mosaic tile pool that looks absolutely stunning when lit up at night. But Del Mar Mansion has limestone floors, beautiful application of the finest woods and stones for the build of the apartment's automated lighting and security, and other awesome features. Your state is known all through the area as it covers over 120 feet of waterfront and a very spectacular way. Number 1. Azana Do 2.0 $127 million. If you've watched Citizen Kane, and that name already sounds familiar, it's the mansion palace belonging to the wealthy protagonist of the movie Charles Foster Kane, where he utters the famous words and dies alone. Bill Gates will hope that Azana Do 2.0 holds better fortunes for him, as he has surely spent a lot on the property. He purchased it for just $2 million in 1988 and then spent over $63 million in 7 years to build the high-tech home. It is reported that over 500-year-old Douglas fir trees, 300 workers, 500,000 board feet of lumber, and more were used in the construction of this building. The house has a lakefront property that has an area of 66,000 square feet on 5 acres of land and has 7 bedrooms, 10 full bathrooms, 14 half bathrooms, and 6 spacious, exquisite kitchens. The majority of the state is underground, and this makes the house not look as big as it truly is. It has several garages, a large trampoline, 1,900 square foot guest house, and a state-of-the-art high-tech home theater with controls in the viewer's seat. One of the biggest rooms is the 2,300 square foot reception hall that will see 150 guests. It has a massive screen and 6-foot limestone fireplace. The reception hall may be begging to enter the nearly 4,000 square foot building for this 60-foot pool for showers and 2 baths. You can go for a dive inside the pool building and swim beneath the glass wall to get into the terrace area of the house. And if you decide to head out to the beach, you can enjoy the feel of the sand that Mr. Gates imported from a tropical beach in Santa Lucia. All in all, the only thing missing from this house that would have been the highlight is the chandelier, and hopefully, by the end of his divorce settlement with his wife, you won't have to watch only half this video, but while they still own the properties. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.